Assalamualaikum students. My name is Bushra Khan and I am from EAM Grammar School and College. Today the topic of our lecture is from chapter 4, that are cells and tissues, and the topic of our lecture is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. As you already know, there are two types of organisms. The first one is simple unicellular organisms, that are prokaryotic cells that possess only simple cells which contain its all information present inside a single cell. And the second one is eukaryotic cells, that are multicellular organisms and possesses those types of cells which contain membrane bounded organelles. They are specialized cells and they are present in eukaryotic organisms. Now these are the types of cells. Now what are prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are those organisms which have prokaryotic type of cell inside them. Means prokaryotes contains simple cells, and eukaryotic organisms are those which contain eukaryotic cells, means multicellular organisms. Now first of all, prokaryotes possesses prokaryotic cells which are much simpler than eukaryotic cell. As I told you earlier that they are simple cells. The main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are given below. Here is a diagram of journal prokaryotic cell. Cell wall is present, simple cell membrane is there, plasmid is also present. Then we have chromosome, DNA. We have ribosomes. Chromosome is present in condensed form, that is simple accumulation of chromosome. Ribosome is also present, and outside the cell a flagella is present also. Then we have differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and these differences are of 5 types. First difference is about nucleus. In both cells, first of all, eukaryotic cells have prominent nucleus. A clear nuclear membrane is present, and nucleoplasm and all the remaining items of the nucleus is present. While prokaryotes do not have prominent nucleus, as you see in diagram, there is no nucleus, and all the genetic information is stored in the form of chromosome, which are condensed form. Their chromosome consists of DNA only, and it floats in the cytoplasm near center, means they are freely moving in the cytoplasm wherever they found place according to their adjustment. This region is called nucleoid. Then we have other difference, that are other organelles. The rest of the organelles include: the eukaryotic cells have membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic and ribosomes, etc. These are the organelles which have clear membrane around them. But in which type of cell? In eukaryotic type of cells, not in prokaryotic cells. Such membrane-bounded organelles are not present in prokaryotic cells. They are present in simple form. The ribosomes of eukaryotic cells are large in size because eukaryotic cells are specialized cells, and they are large in size, so their ribosomes are also large in size as compared to the ribosomes of the prokaryotic cells. Then we have size. Eukaryotic cells are 10 times larger than prokaryotic cells. Then we have cell wall. The cell wall of eukaryotic cell is made up of peptidoglycan. What is peptidoglycan? It is a large polymer of amino acids and sugar, whereas cell wall of eukaryotic cell is made up of cellulose in plants or chitin in fungi. So these are the differences which shows that eukaryotic cells are specialized form of cells than prokaryotic type of cells. Thank you.